Hey guys, we're here at my shop here. We got the GSR. That's the next project here. The guy's pretty much restoring the whole thing. You can see it here. I'm gonna do the body work and everything on it and paint it and make it look brand new. We'll do a quick walk around. It's in pretty rough shape. He already put the quarters on. Anything white is replaced already on the vehicle. He basically got rid of all the rust. So stay tuned, check it out. Oh, the Subaru is still there. That's pushed back, waiting for parts. All right, you guys, I'm here working on the Integra. Just got off of work, came down here and started going at it. So basically what I did tonight was get the gaps good where I want them. They had no gaps when it came in. It was literally rubbing each other. Both sides, I got them pretty good, looking good. All the way around, all the gaps, taillight gaps look good. The trunk here, everything lines up pretty nice. Still going at it. What I had to do was use the porta power here and spread everything apart to get a gap. It buckled some stuff here, but I'll have to straighten that out there and over here in bodywork there. But what else I have to do here is, if I can open it with one hand. All right. The seam sealer, I gotta clean all that up. That's the next stage here. He did this himself. I don't like it. He doesn't like it. It's not good. So I'm gonna clean all this up and make it look just like factory. It's basically all around, and I'm gonna lay some in here and make it look like factory in here too. And paint all this, the color of the body. It's going into this blue, the factory blue. It's a GSR blue, I guess. But the whole car is going to go into this blue here. Inside and out. A lot of work. A lot of body work. Stay tuned. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. And stay updated on the build.